Hi all, welcome to the class, and today's topic is acceleration analysis, and we are going to do an example of acceleration analysis. And the question is given by ABCD is a 4-bar chain with link AD is fixed, AB is crank, BC is coupler, CD is output link with coordinates in x and y coordinate as A is equal to 0 0, B is equal to 0 60, C is equal to 60 60, D is equal to 120 0, and crank AB rotates at 20 radians per second clockwise. So we need to find angular acceleration of link BC and CD. For that, first of all, we need to draw with the space diagram with the available data that's drawn here with coordinates. We can draw the figure and mark the radian per second, that's omega, for the crank also. So first of all, we will select the space diagram which is known to us and find all link length. AB will be 60 mm. Since we are taking mm as basic unit for this calculation, you can select any unit because in question paper the unit is not specified, so I am taking in mm. BC will be 60 mm, AD will be 120 mm, and from this diagram using Pythagoras equation we can find CD as 84.85 mm. So first of all, we need to calculate omega and VAB, and we know that omega AB is given as 20 radians per second and AB length is 60 mm. Then we can find VAB as AB into omega AB equal to 0.06 into 20 is equal to 1.2 meter per second. And first of all, we need to select the fixed points, that is A is a fixed point, D is a fixed point. So drawing velocity diagram, first of all we will select a point A comma D which is having velocity 0, and from that point AB velocity will be act in the perpendicular direction to link AB, that is given as in this direction. This line is perpendicular to link AB and the length will be 1.2 meter per second, which is found by us. Now we need to find the velocity of link BC and link CD. For that, first of all, we draw the velocity diagram of link BC which is perpendicular to this line BC, and that will be like this. That can be either in top side or bottom side. For a neat drawing, I am taking in the top side. While you are doing, you should draw a perpendicular line, and after drawing CD only we can find where is the point C. So now we don't know where is the point C. This can be either the downward side or upward side. For that, first of all, we will draw velocity diagram of link CD that will act in the perpendicular direction of this line. So that will be meeting at the earlier line at a specific point known as C. This is the complete velocity diagram of 4-bar chain ABCD, and from that we can measure the values of velocity BC, velocity CD, and that can be found out as velocity BC as 1.21 meter per second and velocity CD as 1.701 meter per second. That can be substituted for finding omega values. Omega BC and omega CD can be found out by using relation omega BC equal to VBC by capital BC, that is link length. That will be velocity divided by link length, that will be 1.21 by 0.06, which will give 20.16 radian per second. Similarly, omega CD can be found out using VCD divided by link length CD, that will be 1.701 divided by 0.08485, and that value will be 20.04. Now we need to find accelerations. For that, we have different equations. The basic equations are, there are two components of acceleration, radial component and tangential component. For finding radial component, we can use the equation AR is equal to V square divided by link length, and for the link AB, AR AB will be V square AB divided by AB is equal to 1.2 square divided by 0.06 equal to 24 meter per second square. This is the radial component of acceleration of link AB. First of all, we need to start drawing this link. For that, acceleration of fixed link will be 0. That can be selected as 0. So here point A and point D are fixed links, so that can be found out as fixed links with acceleration 0. And first of all, the radial component will act in the same direction of AB towards fixed link, so that can be drawn like this with the value 24 meter per second square, which is found out here. This is AR. Now we need to find ATAB, that is tangential component of acceleration of link AB, which is 0. Since the input acceleration is not given, we can take this as 0. So the final point B dash will be this one. This is the final value of B dash. Now we need to find radial component of link BC, and that is given as AR BC is equal to V square BC by BC equal to 1.21 square divided by 0.06 equal to 24.4 meter per second square. Since the link moving in clockwise direction, the radial component will act in the opposite direction. So the final value will be like this, and this will be AR BC, that is given as 24.4 meter per second square. And definitely there will be a tangential component of acceleration for link BC. We cannot choose the second coupler acceleration alpha as 0, so we need to draw a perpendicular line from there. Now we don't know the value of alpha, so we cannot forward from here, so we will select another link CD, and AR CD is given as AR CD is equal to V square CD divided by CD is equal to 1.701 square divided by 0.08484 I equal to 34.1 meter per second square, which will act in the same direction of link CD towards fixed link D. So that can be drawn like this with the value AR CD is equal to 34.1 meter per second square. Now we need to know what is the tangential component of the link CD, that is AT is equal to alpha CD is into CD. Alpha CD is unknown, so we can draw a perpendicular diagonal that will intersect at a point known as C dash. So this will be the tangential component, and this will be the another tangential component. So that can be measured using a scale, and we can find out that tangential component BC is equal to 48.62 and tangential component CD is equal to 68.56 meter per second square. So from this we can calculate angular acceleration of link BC and link CD. That can be given as, this is the final acceleration diagram, and acceleration angular acceleration can be found out as alpha BC is equal to AT BC divided by BC is equal to 48.62 divided by 0.06 equal to 810 radian per second square, and similarly alpha CD is equal to AT CD divided by CD equal to 68.56 divided by 0.08485 is equal to 808 radian per second. These are the two acceleration which is asked in the question paper. So this is the method of solving a 4-bar chain and finding acceleration of link BC and CD. Thank you.